How to change location in the Bereal app. If you have been using the Bereal application and wondering on how to change your location on it, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it. So let's get started. First of all, open the Bereal application. Just like this. After opening it, you will find something like this on your home screen. Now tap onto Profile at the bottom, just right here. Select it. Then here you can find something like this on your profile. Now to change location, tap onto Settings at the top. Just right here, tap on it. Then here you can find your profile name. Just right here, now tap on it. Then here you can find your location, just right here. Now to change it, simply tap on it. Then remove this location and simply add a new one. Just like this. And tap on to save. And now you can see your location has been changed. It is a very easy process, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.